Mexico from the East Coast to the West Coast, taking it back to the days of the barnstormer as he does a loop in a mere 300 feet of vertical altitude. Its top speed, just about the same as the horsepower, and that's 85 miles an hour. He does the hammerhead stall turnaround. As he goes into the 4-point hesitation roll, he'll stop at every 90 degrees of rotation, handling himself absolutely perfectly. Ken Pietsch is from Minot, North Dakota, and the folks at Jelly Belly Candy Company offers its famous Jelly Belly jelly beans in 50 official flavors and an ever-changing array of new flavors and special collections. The candy company that put the gourmet jelly bean on the map became known worldwide when Jelly Belly beans were taken to the White House during the Ronald Reagan administration. The company's been making candy since 1869 and has known for decades for making quality confections. The company still cooks up a huge range of nostalgia and gourmet candies. Now, as Ken demonstrates why he has become one of the best stick and rudder men in the world, he is the 2007 recipient of the highest award an airshow performer in the airshow business can receive, and that's the Art Show Memorial Showmanship Award. He's also an honorary Royal Canadian Snowboarder from Canada's jet demonstration team. Now, Ken's gonna dive down. Now let's take a look at what's gonna happen next. The nose comes down, the speed comes up to over 90 miles an hour, and he does another 4-point roll for us as he stops the airplane every 90 degrees of rotation. I want you to look, try to work his way up.
About an hour and a half.
See if he can plant it there. Oh, he's running out of runway. He got him down. There's, oh, look at that. Oh boy. And he's gonna pull up. And I think they're gonna try it one more time. This is awesome. The flying that you're seeing. He was 18. He completed his first solo flight. Now he's going as fast as he can. Now the truck probably has a governor on it trying to get up to 70, and Ken Pietsch is chasing him. Oh boy. Boy, the truck is just maybe out racing him a little bit. Third time's a charm, maybe for Ken Pietsch today.
Oh, that hurt.
One of the most respected guys in the air show industry.